Hi, how are you? Have you ever been stuck in a place and you just can't get out of it? And you keep ramming your head against the same wall? Maybe you should just turn around and give up.
If it's not working, take a second, think about it. Maybe it's easier to take it off, bring it to the back of the truck.
Look at that,
rip
the
it
apprentice
apart.
knows.
You know, maybe that'll save you more time. It seems like more steps to do, but that'll save you more time than f***ing the same thing for like 8 tries.
8 tries, you're like 10 tries though.
Okay, you were like 20.
You're like 40 tries before you realize that and ask Dad for help. Here's an example of when you should try something else, reassess your situation. No, man, it's just gonna slide. Because someone's already done a number on this guy. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. It's just a little bit trickier to set up and get tight. Nope, not that way. Not gonna work. Yeah, that's too big. It's just in a shitty spot. The dongle on the bottom's all rounded off, so now we're fighting with her. Normally these aren't that much of a fight. Sometimes, I shouldn't say more. They're usually a little tight. We'll grab our hammer. Just need to get you can't get, give me something to bite down on. Minor setback. I can't get that can off easily, and I could f around some more, putting different tools in there, trying to break that can loose. We're gonna get rid of all that and just rip the filter base off, put it in the vise of the truck, spin that filter out of there, change it, throw it back on. It's 2 hoses and 2 bolts. And sometimes it's easier just to do, you know, just to take something out of the way or pull something off and do it on the back of the truck. Because I can get anything on there at that point. I can stick it in the vise and you put the bigger pipe wrench on it or something to break that loose. So yeah, we'll just do her that way. Easier, peasier, all that stuff. Remove tripping hazards. And look how easy it is. Oh, messing around forever trying to get that apart on the machine. Why not just make it that much easier and take it off the machine? All right, we'll just go back to the machine now. We can do the rest of it up here. Leave it in the comments. Give me an example of when you changed plans. Maybe you were gonna be a doctor and you decided to become a mechanic. Best decision of your life. You know, or maybe you were pulling something out and you decided to put it in instead. What? Leave it in the comments. Hemlock video coming out soon.